This house was built in the late 1800s. The architect that designed this house was known for the roundhouses that he designed for the railroad company in the 1800s. The owner said when placing wallpaper in the house it was easy because every wall was symmetrically straight. Her husband bought the house sometime in the 1970s and she married him in the 1980s. They lived here for a while and then he built them a new home. He kept up the work on the house, which included replacing most of the roof, but 2 sections he never got around to before he passed away a couple of years ago. The houses now sit for several years unlived in. The owner now is not financially able to keep up the repairs needed on the house, and this is why it has become an abandoned beauty. There's a barn and some old farm equipment in the backyard. We're going to look at that too. All right, guys, let's go check this out. I'm so excited. This place is so beautiful. Look at this. It is beautiful. It is 2 floors high, and I believe there's a full basement in this house, as well as probably an attic.
Porch above, the porch like that 2-deck.
Oh, I know.
Porch like
it's got that balcony on the front. It's just gorgeous. It gives it kind of this Louisiana style to me, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
Kind of, oh man, this thing is great. It's still got the windows in it. The glass is in this. It's been preserved, so we are definitely not going to give any information on the location of this house because it does not look like it's been vandalized, and that is what we want. We want to be able to capture these homes and show you guys the beauty of them without the vandalism. It's just nature that takes a hold of them. Look at this. Oh my Lord, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Look at this. This is all concrete, so it's safe enough. Look at this. There is still a porch swing on the front. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. It's cool. I love this. Look at this door. Look how... I'm going to hush and just video. There's an old bench and stuff over here. Oh, this was beautiful at one time. Going to check out this little section to the right of the house. It's just this little area, which may have been a really cute little secret garden or something. Anyway, that's just how I visualize it. It's not a wagon wheel. It's like grown in between these trees. Well, it's in between the trees and the trees have grown around it. It's crazy. Crazy, but also just so beautiful. I mean, it's like something that you see in a magazine, like a home and garden magazine. I love it. It is beautiful. Wow, look how the vines have just taken over up there. I mean, nature makes the place artistic all by itself, you know? It's just gorgeous. Let's walk around. I love this. It's an old gate. Looks like it might have used to go into like a little garden. Isn't it beautiful? The bird's nest in there. This whole place looks like it came right out of a magazine. This is the part of the roof, I guess, that she said started caving in. A ladder up there, as we tried to fix it at one time. Still got drapes in it. It's gorgeous. There's still an old tractor back here and a huge old barn. Oh, look at the little dog house. That's so cute. I love it. It's a hot one today.
Yes, it is.
So they built him a little cabin back there, didn't they?
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. Very cool. Oh, look at the back of the house. It's super cool.
It is a pretty little place.
It's gorgeous. I can just imagine what it looked like in its glory days, but it is absolutely fabulous. Oh, the sun. On the wrong side of the sun. Sweating big times too. Look at all the vines and stuff is taken over, but it still has all the windows. I love that so much. I think this house could still probably be saved, maybe. Floors are rotting pretty bad. I don't know if it has water damage under it or not. But it still looks really cool on the inside. Oh, that's funny. There's a goose inside of it. Like a ceramic goose somebody put in there. I love it. It's definitely a photograph to be taken. Some kind of concrete foundation there too.
Yeah.
Something used to be there before the goose house. Look at this. Wow. I'm telling you, this is fabulous. See if we can sneak in the window here and see if we can see something on the inside. Oh, there's a lot of junk in there, but man, it looks like it was beautiful. Oh man, this is the kitchen. How gorgeous. I'm not sure what that is. The big iron piece down there is. It's pretty cool looking. The drapes have molded. Looks like there's still some old antique furniture. Just beautiful. In the glass. Whew. So muggy. It's been thundering. The humidity is about 150%. I'm going back on the front porch. And then I'll go on the other side. Pretty cool. Flower boxes. So look at the other side now. Definitely a basement. Like a window frame maybe? Oh wow. This is so cool. This personality is just hopping out all over this place. Look at this. And this it's really cool. Look at the little cast iron pipes back here, still in part of the house. It's cool. The flies and the gnats are so heavy through here. I love this old rock foundation. Super cool. Very cool. Whoa, and there's also this big, like, I don't know, maybe it was a pond at one time. Yeah, looks like there was a couple of ponds in here. Pretty bad looking now, but were probably beautiful at one time. This place, there is no doubt in my brain, no doubt in my mind, this place was once absolutely gorgeous. Just was breathtaking. All the little statues back here fell, but it's super cool. This little covered area, fenced covered area back there, little fence area with a little gate. Probably was a beautiful garden area at one time. a little bridge over here. It's falling in now. There's maybe the old wheel, the old cart wheel, that's wagon cart wheel. The other one is the one probably over there embedded in the tree. No bridge. Definitely caving in. I don't think I'll cross that. It's pretty cool though. Still water. Little stream underneath it. It's really cool looking. I'll go out and look at the barn a little bit more. That's where the roof is caving in back here. It's not bad though. It's not bad at all. We have seen so much worse. Looks like there was a back porch, but the back porch is all caved in now. It's all flat on the ground. As you can tell here on the other side of this railing. The weeds are about taking it over. A little walk up there, the back porch, but this was definitely the back porch at one time, and it definitely has caved in. Take a little look at the barn back here. There's a lot of beauty in this old barn too. Looks like it might have had a living quarters up on the second floor at one time. Well, this old tractor. Beautiful rusted tractor. Like the water bottle cover there for like a filter. Oh, toy built lawnmower over there. Wow. This is so cool. Look at this. It's beautiful. Wish we could have got inside the house, and maybe later we can convince her to let us see inside the house. But in the meantime, there's an old wagon, or not wagon, there's an old trailer. A wooden trailer, old fence. And this is the old outhouse. It's got the quarter moon on it. It's leaning a little bit, but it's original to the house. They used to have electric fence out here. A lot of old stuff back here, including an old golf cart. There definitely was a second floor apartment or something up there. All this stuff was just left here after he passed away. That in the window here. Okay, a lot of old tools and stuff back there. It's cool. Some old wagon wheels. stairs. What ones took you up to the apartment loft up there, I guess, or a shop, whatever it was. Maybe just a man cave kind of thing. Looks like there was a kind of a chimney up there. Maybe it had some kind of little wood stove. Wow, this is super cool. Isn't this neat? I took my light off because it was so heavy, and so now I'm kind of regretting it. It's a little dark in here, but isn't this cool? I think you can see in there. Pretty dirty. Maybe you can. A wooden bench covered with stuff. I think there were some rabbit cages back here too. And there was even some bees back here. Look, they did all kinds of stuff back here. Oh man, this is beautiful. A little tiny window up there. It's got an old rusted galvanized tin roof. It's a water pump. I love the old water pumps. Pretty cool. I love this old door. Look at this old barn door. It's so cool. This is cool. It's like a little arena area. Little pen for the animals back here. Isn't that great? So cool. It's pretty cool. I know, all I can say is it's so cool because I love this. I love this old farm look, this old wood, this old pine, dry wood, and just aged with all this patina on it. It's just so beautiful. Simply breathtaking. You can hear the stream. It's just, oh, it's the well. There's a well down in here. I thought maybe it was the stream, but that's actually a well down in there. I can't see it. There's definitely water coming out of there. How well you can see that, but huh. I love this little wagon. That's so cool. This is just, has all that country look. You know, that is so hard to find these days. So little of it is preserved. So this is so cool to me. I love this old country look. It's beautiful. Let's go back and look at this thing a little bit more, and then we'll go to the back of this barn. There's more buildings back here. I really want to see what that is back there too. So much to see. So much beautiful old country wagon wheels, and the thing was on an old type of cartwheel. So amazing. More of the creek bed down there. This is all the back of it. Interesting. Okay, so I guess we're done. Let's go back up to the front. I love this though. I almost missed the hay baler back here. This thing has everything. This was definitely a working farm at one time. I mean, it had absolutely everything. Look at this. Or you guys like this old farm stuff? Look at that, it's still got the seat on it. Oh, I stepped in a hole again. Wow. Great, I love it. Oh, I scared a rabbit out. I don't know if you guys seen it or not. Poor little rabbit, didn't mean to scare it. Well, this is actually the back of the garden area. So they had probably had a garden, a vegetable garden back here, and in there they had a flower garden. I thought that was really cool at one time. Have this big vegetable garden and this beautiful little area where they had flower gardens, and they had little ponds with fish, a big goldfish, little water fountain, and it was gorgeous with a little bridge before it caved in. Right behind the back of the house here. It's pretty cool. Alright. I hope you guys like this video. I loved this farmhouse. This was a splendid place. I wish we could have got inside, but I think what we've seen outside was just breathtaking. So I'm just happy to have got to see that. And we're so happy to have took you guys with us to see this beautiful old farmhouse. Lots of farm stuff. It is gorgeous. And I'm so thankful that we got to come out here and video for you guys. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next video. Bye. Thunder, some rain. It needs to rain.